Toyota is expanding the GR lineup, but this time, it's not all about high-performance sports cars. Toyota Gazoo Racing, renowned for pushing performance boundaries, has turned its attention to a surprising vehicle, the Toyota HiAce van. Known for being a reliable workhorse, the HiAce gets a unique sporty makeover, courtesy of Toyota's GR Parts division, which is offering some exciting new styling upgrades for the 2025 model year. For those unfamiliar with the HiAce, it has been a staple of Toyota's commercial vehicle lineup since its debut in 2004. The latest iteration of the HiAce, the H200 generation, continues to serve a wide range of purposes, from transporting goods to people, and is still popular in Japan. However, Toyota is now introducing the HiAce in a new, sportier light with the GR Parts styling packages. The GR Parts version I upgrade draws inspiration from off-road design, making the HiAce look more rugged and aggressive. It's designed to stand out, not only in off-road settings but also on the streets of urban Japan. This package includes a bold front bumper add-on, which incorporates integrated LEDs and a metal-style skid plate, along with side skirts designed to resemble side steps. To complete the look, the version I also adds GR-branded mud flaps in either red or black, emphasizing its off-road influence. On the other hand, the GR Parts version 2 offers a sportier, more motorsport-inspired look. The version 2 is designed with performance enthusiasts in mind, giving the HiAce a more dynamic, aggressive presence. This version features a front splitter for added aerodynamics, along with sleek side skirt extensions that make the van's profile even more exciting. Additionally, buyers can opt for a deeper rear bumper with a miniature diffuser, helping to further enhance the sporty appearance. The version 2 package also includes a new set of 15-inch alloy wheels and a distinctive number plate frame with GR bolts for a truly custom feel. If you want the full GR makeover, the price for the GR Parts version I body kit is 231,000 yen, while the version 2 upgrade is priced at 143,000 yen. Other enhancements, such as the wheels and tires, anti-theft number plate frame, and mud flaps, will add additional costs. The wheels and tires alone will set you back 242,000 yen, and the anti-theft number plate frame costs around 15,510 yen. Although the HiAce Sporty GR Parts treatment doesn't come with any performance upgrades, the cosmetic enhancements definitely give it a fresh new look. The HiAce isn't yet officially part of the Gazoo Racing lineup, as the focus remains on their high-performance models like the GR-MN, GR Sport, and GR models. However, the HiAce sporty new appearance is a testament to Toyota's ability to apply their GR spirit to a more utilitarian vehicle. In addition to the GR Parts styling, fans of the HiAce can opt for Modelista upgrades, which offer more pronounced aero components, sleek decals, and metal trim pieces for the grille. You can also get beefier tailpipes, wood trim for the cabin, leather seats, and useful accessories like a roof-mounted fishing rod holder or a portable air sleep mat. For those looking for a more comfortable ride, Modelista even offers chassis upgrades such as tweaked shocks and rear bracing for improved rigidity. Despite the HiAce sporty new look, it continues to be powered by the same gasoline and diesel powertrains from previous models, with no performance upgrades to speak of. Nonetheless, these styling upgrades are sure to appeal to those who want a unique, customized van that stands out on the road and at work sites.